Hello students, I hope you are preparing for your NEET 2021 exam, upcoming exam which is on September, right? And you will be using NTA Abyas app to practice, right? So here is one of the question from one student, okay? And let's try to read the question and try to solve it, okay? So the first question, the thing is that they gave the properties of Phenylketonuria and Alkaptonuria, okay? And you know that both are autosomal recessive disease. The defective gene is P and A, okay? Chromosome defects is found in chromosome number 12 and chromosome number 3. The defective enzyme is phenylalanine hydroxylase and homogenesic acid oxidase, okay? Now the function of these enzymes is to convert phenylalanine to tyrosine, okay, in case of phenyl hydroxylase, okay. In case of homogenesic acid oxidase, it converts homogenesic acid to mallyl acetoacetic acid, okay. Now in case of the disease, if the person is suffering from the disease, in the urine you will find phenylketone, okay, which causes a musty odor to the urine, okay. Now if the person is suffering from the Alkaptonuria disease, so his urine or her urine will be having alkaptone, okay, which gives a black color when exposed to air. Additional information they also gave, like in our body, tyrosine is the only precursor for the formation of homogenesic acid, which means homogenesic acid is not synthesized from any other substrate. It's the tyrosine, okay. The tyrosine is the only precursor from which homogenesic acid is synthesized, okay. Now option what they gave, or the question what they asked that Rohit has genotype AA+P, okay. Now this is homozygous recessive condition, okay. Both the alleles are showing recessive condition, which means the person, this guy Rohit, is suffering from both the disease. He is suffering from phenylketonuria, okay. He is suffering from phenylketonuria, as well as he's also suffering from Alkaptonuria, okay. From both the genetic disease he is suffering, okay. That's fine. Now the question is that his urine will have, okay, what will be the content of the urine? So option A says that it contains phenylketone but it do not contains alkaptone, okay. Option B says contains alkaptone but no phenylketone, okay. Third option says that contain both phenylketone and alkaptone, and the D option says that do not contain either phenylketone or alkaptone, okay. So most of us will be choosing the option C, as in this condition also the student did, okay. So let's try to understand that what is the mechanism running on, okay. So as we notice that the phenylalanine, okay, is converted into tyrosine, okay, and tyrosine, depending upon the demand of the body, okay, it may be converted into melanin or maybe thyroid hormone, maybe T3, T4, or even adrenaline, okay. So depending upon the need, okay. And you already know that phenylketonuria symptoms, okay. Now if the person is suffering from phenylketonuria, okay, so it's converted into 3T, T4, melanin, adrenaline, that's so fine. But if there is an excess tyrosine, the excess tyrosine is converted into hydroxyphenyl pyruvic acid, which is further converted into homogenesic acid, which is further converted into mallyl acetoacetic acid by the enzyme homogenesic acid oxidase. And further, this mallyl acetoacetic acid is converted into carbon dioxide and water and released out, okay. And phenylketonuria condition, you know that there is an absence of or deficiency of the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, and because of which the phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine, and because it's not converted into tyrosine, the level of tyrosine goes down, right, and the quantity of tyrosine goes down, okay. And you also know that phenylalanine is an essential amino acid, whereas tyrosine is non-essential amino acid. That means we rely on phenylalanine and is converted into tyrosine, and tyrosine is used by the body. So in case if there's a deficiency in phenylalanine hydroxylase, so tyrosine quantity will go down and there will be increase in phenylalanine level, which is further changed into phenylketones, okay, and released in urine, because of which the urine have a musty odor, right. So let's see the same circumstances here. If the person is suffering from both phenylalanine as well as phenylketonuria as well as alkaptonuria, if the person is suffering from both the disorders, okay, so you know that if the person is suffering from phenylketonuria, there will be no conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine, okay. And because of the Alkaptonuria, this homogenistic acid oxidase will not be there. I agree with you. Okay, but the condition is that even okay, because the condition is that since the person is suffering from phenylketonuria, there's already a depletion in tyrosine level. Okay, so there's a tyrosine level depletion, so tyrosine cannot be metabolized further. Okay, there's no tyrosine actually, right? So there is no reason, okay, that the urine will be presenting or showing the presence of homogenistic acid, because homogenistic acid or alkaptone will not be there. Okay, there's no alkaptone. Okay, why? Because tyrosine was already not there. Since tyrosine not there, you cannot synthesize homogenistic acid. So in the urine, homogenistic acid or alkaptone will not be there. Only we will find the phenyl ketone. Okay, so the right answer will be that the Rohit's urine will be showing the contents of phenylketone, but it will not show alkaptone. Okay, that will be the right answer. I hope you enjoyed the question session. Okay, so if you have question, if you have doubts and you want me to solve it for you or want me to teach it for you, send your doubts to the given number. Okay, then see you next class. Okay, have a great time solving another question. See you. Bye bye.